In this video, I'm going to show you the best artificial Christmas trees and my favorite Amazon Christmas trees. So first off, I've got for you, everything is listed down below in the description. Make sure you go to the description and click on those links down there. First off, I've got for you a 4-foot pop-up tree. There's also the exact same one that is a 6-foot pop-up tree from PREDECORATED. It's fully decorated, already has all the lights on it. This tree is incredible, and the price point on it, the 4-foot one, is under $100 right now. There's a sale running on Amazon. I will link that down below for you for the specific 4-foot tree. And the 6-foot tree that already has the lights, already has the decorations, already has the stand. Literally, it took me less time to pop this tree up than it did to actually take it out of the box. It was so simple to put together. It's literally these separate pieces. You just put them together, 2 or 3 pieces, and then the final piece is popping the base in. The base is very, very simple. It could not have been easier. On a scale of 1 to 10, it was a 10. I mean, it was just very, very simple. And I do like that you can fluff up the artificial limbs on them too, which makes it really nice. Up next, for our next Amazon Christmas tree that we've got down below for our artificial decorated tree, is going to be our PREDECORATED 6-foot tree. It's premium Hinge artificial spruce tree. It's got 1,200 tips on it. You can make it very fluffy. I did add some lights, which I'll also link down below, and some Christmas balls too. There's some shatterproof Christmas balls that I've been testing this year for the Christmas season, and these are awesome. I love this one. Very, very simple to put together with the eye-catching addition. And you can fluff it very easily. 3 hinge sections allow for easily putting together, but also dismantling it as well too, and to be able to store it. There's the stand on it. Very simple to put together with those different pieces on it with the stand. And it's a fire-resistant tree, non-allergenic. It's perfect for hanging ornaments on it. Very, very sturdy. But I liked it a lot because it did really look like a spruce on it. I just needed the holly jolly cheer with it. Highly, highly recommend. This one, again, was a 6-foot PREDECORATED tree. I will link that Hinge one down below. My third artificial and best Amazon Christmas tree that I highly, highly recommend is actually going to be one of the flocked trees. Yes, you can get a flocked tree on Amazon, basically meaning the fake snow with it. I like this one so much. It's a 6-foot tall PREDECORATED. It has 1,200 tips on it with that beautiful heavy white snow. I did put it with the shatterproof and shatter resistant fuchsia ornament balls. We'll talk about that in a minute. But this one has on it, it's made out of metal. It's to be that eye-catching, genuine Canadian fir Christmas tree is what it's supposed to look like. And it also has that 3 hinge section, allow for easily assembly and disassembly. There was some fallout from the flocked faux snow. Just know that that's coming. Know that you're probably going to have to vacuum it up. But it looked really nice. It is fire resistant, non-allergenic. It's perfect for hanging ornaments. The ornaments went very easily over those tips. And it's based on that really sturdy metal stand as well. Great for assembly. Also, taking it down is easy too, but there you can see the different flocked snow on it with the artificial limbs. Now, up next, I've got these lights as an additional extra one. If you want to put your own lights on there, the first tree I showed you already had lights, but the PREDECORATED 100 pack of lights are indoor and outdoor. I like that you could use indoor or outdoor with the lights. That is an option if you want to put your own lights on your Christmas tree for the second tree number 2 and then tree number 3 with the flocked tree. That's a great way to go ahead and do it. It's got those indoor outdoor lights on them with the white wiring, white tips. They do have green wiring and green tips one, and also PREDECORATED does have a big sale going on colored lights as well. If you wanted to have like rainbow type lights, that would be an option. I like these because they're the warm tone as opposed to a cool tone with them, and it was really easy to put up, and the cord on it was really, really simple to be able to go through and put together. So I do also highly recommend that one. That was one of my favorite best of on Amazon. And Amazon must-haves is these lights. Get some extra lights. You'll thank me later for one of your Amazon must-haves. In addition, I did also get some extra Christmas ornaments to go with it too. I've got several different packs. There's 36 balls from PREDECORATED. It is the 36 shatterproof ornaments with the hanging loop on them. Great for holidays, great for party decorations, great for wreaths if you make your own wreaths with them too. Lots of different versatility with it. It comes in 6 styles with 3 different sizes. So they're small, medium, and large. but 6 different styles with it, like a disco ball. There's a glitter one. That one has some indentations on it. There's a smooth plain one. There's a shiny plain one. Like there's lots, and it comes with the little loopings already on there too, which makes it really nice. I do like that these are shatterproof in the champagne color. So if you have kids or pets and the dog's tail wax or the cats jump on the tree or whatever, it makes it really, really nice. But look at all those different styles. Great value, great bang for your buck, and there should be a sale going on with them as well. I will link that down in the description link too for all of our Amazon must-haves, and all of our Amazon favorites are down in the description link below. Up next for Christmas decorations for your Amazon artificial trees and favorite must-have artificial trees is going to be the fuchsia box. This is also the PREDECORATED Christmas ball ornament set. Same thing, 36 pieces. They've got the disco balls, they've got the textured ones, the smooth ones, the shiny ones, but they come in that small, medium, large size as well. But there's 36 pieces, which basically decorated the whole tree. I loved it, and I love fuchsia. This was by far my favorite on the flocked tree. I thought it looked so beautiful. I was like, this is the best tree yet, yay! And the pieces on them, again, same thing, shatter resistant on there. They do come in other colors like a bright, vibrant teal, a dark emerald green, purple. You can pick whichever colors make you happy. The champagne and the fuchsia I loved. I thought they were great, but there's like a turquoise, a royal blue, a navy blue. Like there's so many different colors depending on what you like. So those are our 3 best ones with the PREDECORATED. They sent us those. Special thank you to them for sending these to me so I could test them out. I highly recommend them all. They all get my seal of approval, and the metal stands for assembly and disassembly were great. This again is the 4-foot pop-up tree, slightly different of where it has on there. You just literally take it out. It's like a big old hoop skirt. Pull it up, and you can go ahead and put that in your foyer. If you have a smaller space, I like the 4-foot tree for smaller spaces, but they do have a 6-foot tree that also you can pop up very easily. I have, ironically, this 4-foot tree in my office. If you see me on Amazon Lives, which I'll link my latest Amazon Live show down below, you'll see that actual tree in my office with me as well. It's beautiful, pre-lit, great ornaments, great trimmings on there. I just need to add a cute little star. I'll link one of those down below too, but I highly recommend. And the disassembly also, to me, is one of the most important things with the disassembly as it is with the assembly of how do I take this down. But the lights on these are the warmed toned lights with the green around them. If you want to add some more lights onto things, I don't think that these need any more lights though, to be honest. I really like the color decoration and scheme that they had with this particular tree as well, and it's already pre-decorated. It was less than 5 minutes of ho 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 holiday cheer. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you share it with a friend if they love Christmas as much as you do for your artificial indoor Christmas trees, and make sure you check out the description link below for all of the links in there, and check out my latest Amazon Live show. I highly, highly recommend. We love showing our holiday cheer and put in your comment what your favorite artificial tree is. I look forward to seeing you guys in next time. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and have a great day.